Hi everyone, this is Demetrica from D Bella Aesthetics. So I want to demonstrate me doing a leg wax. So you can kind of see me, kind of not. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for you. So hi! So you can see my waxing techniques, okay? So first of all, I use a cotton round and I cleanse with witch hazel. I pretty much wax my legs myself. Only thing I don't wax really sometimes is my underarms and my Brazilian. I like to go to someone for that, but if I have to, I will. A little oil. I use grapeseed. Just need a little bit. I like oil. I do have powder, but I like oil on with wax. It's just something I do because I'm used to doing a lot of Brazilians. So I have my wax sticks here. So I'm using golden Allure and purple Seduction. So you want to go, I'm using hard wax, but I will demonstrate with soft wax too. So you go down and you go. So you can see that. And then you take the other part of the stick and you go like that too. Legs, and then I have a little, they can dry very fast, and then you go up, 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 up. Voila, see? Yes. So I'll put everything here as I go, and let's keep moving. I don't really have a lot of hair on my legs because I just, but I just want to demonstrate my technique. So again, we go all the way down, the legs, all the way down, and then I can do the little tip. This wax dries very fast. Voila. So we're going to keep moving. So as I'm talking to you, I want to talk about why it's important to come in every 4 to 6 weeks. The more you come in, the less, a lot of people say they have a lot of pain, but I really don't as much anymore. Because I've been waxing for so long, I don't really experience a lot of that. I try to exfoliate. That also helps a lot. I don't do numbing cream here. I'll just go in smaller sections and I'll tell you when I get ready to go. And everything is always, I just work with you. But if you exfoliate and you do what you need to do, waxing service, of course, if you can go to the doctor, you can get a wax. That's my motto. And you just go. So now you see. So I can go pretty fast on the legs. Soft wax, hard wax. Another tip for my SD besties with this, which I should have done, is add a little oil to your glove, which I should have done, but I wanted to come on quickly. Sometimes you need to do that. So just take a little oil on your glove, just a little bit, and problem solved. I have my little basket and I'll go. And so as you see. Yeah. And take always with your stick. And the wax, because I've been here for a couple of hours, I don't do hot wax. Yes. And voila. We just keep on moving. So that's why I like having my little basket, or have it on napkins, or have it on a something disposable. You just keep moving. And you put enough wax sticks in. If the client doesn't come, all you got to do is cover it up and keep moving. And I'll do one more. And I'm going to move to the next leg. I actually waxed my legs for my family reunion last week, so I didn't really need to, but I wanted to show you. And we will go. Yes. Okay, move to the next leg. This is the next leg. So I'm going to move there if I can do it. Okay, if you can see That's the next leg. I'll take another cotton round and spray bottle, cleanse. Cleanse, 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 cleanse. And then I will take, I have an aesthetic wipe, so I'll take an aesthetic wipe. Just, when you're doing oil, just a little bit. You don't want a lot of oil because you want to make sure the wax adheres to the skin. So you can do like that, and then you take the other part, because if not, the wax won't go on the skin. So you just really, it's just really there to help with lifting and to help it's not hydrating because it's oil, but it, you know, moisturizes a little bit, just lubricant on the skin. Yes. And you just go. This is a pretty color, isn't it? This is Purple Seduction and Golden Allure. So I've already ordered this again. I love Purple Seduction wax. I really do. It's the OG. They call it the OG now. It's really great for Brazilians. The Golden Allure is as well. It's a wonderful wax. I do have the cherry, so I will be trying that, but I have to see. See, look how that glides on. That is so nice. Isn't that that's a pretty color. It just glides on very nice. So now you can see that I can wax. I don't know, people want to see, so now you can see. Yeah. So I'm going to I have a little bit more. Just a great temperature. That's why I try to get to work on time. That is a beautiful color. I love it. I love that color. I like purple anyway. This is beautiful. It has like a shimmer to it. I love it. Yeah, so this is the Golden Allure and the Purple Seduction together, because I ran out of that wax. I don't usually mix waxes, but if you read the back of the package, it's pretty much the same and same. So I was okay to mix it. It was okay to mix this. It's just the colors. But it's the same, almost the same formula. So I wasn't, and there's no fragrance in these waxes. The Purple Seduction and the Golden Allure does not have fragrance. So I was okay for me to mix. I usually don't really mix waxes. You just never know. Something happens. That's not the formula, and you just don't want any issues with clients. But that's just me. Everybody's different. I just try to stick with that. But this is really nice, since it's the same company and pretty much the same brand. Like I said, the formulas are pretty much the same. So, look at that. See a little bit. Now, if that cracks, all you have to do, you wait a few minutes. You don't worry. I pull too quickly. But you don't worry. You take it. Go like that. And then you go. Keep moving. That was on me. So, I don't have to stress about that. And you see how that has helped the oil. This wax is doing very well with that oil. Very nice, very nice. Oh, that's a nice color. I love it. I do not, that's why I like professional grade waxes. I don't like anything to break on me, and you keep moving. Yes, that's nice. So I'll wait a few minutes. And if you're not sure, another trick you can do, you can always add powder to it to help with your drying time, or if you have a fan. And you just touch. I like how waxing queen, you should be touching, touch. It's so cute. I like how she does that. And same thing there. So you wait a few minutes. You take the wax, go like that. And then you can, when it's ready, don't be like me. So wait till it's ready. And then you got it. That's it. You never panic. The wax will come off. Remember, you have oil, you have things, you're the expert, the wax will come off. And that's pretty much it. Voila. So again, I'm Demetrica.